better version than this.
I'm trying to get hold of it from my designer. I couldn't reach her.
But the essence is identical. The product teardown basically is structured around these five principles, right?
So the
first one is, what is your idea, right? What is it you're trying to solve? And who is that target user for whom you are trying to solve that problem, right? And what problem you're trying to solve. Then the third point is, what is your solution? Actually, if you read all these things, it might look obvious, but actually, behind the obvious is actually the crux, right? For example, in the next iteration we did, we added a word called your solution approach. The word approach is actually a very key word, because take any problem.
He could. We used to be somewhat in the overlapping
Karomi and
in the previous product.
At least.
They took a specific approach to solve the same problem.
We took the specific approach to the same problem. Because that is the one that determines or differentiates same problem two companies trying to solve, but different perspective, because that comes from the conviction of the founders. The founders can see, like, okay, this is the best way to solve this problem instead of some other thing. For example, when iSPIRT came back and said, why should CRM be just take a Salesforce? Why can't CRM be like Hello? And that's the fundamental conviction they had. And then when they applied the Trello-like interface to Salesforce like CRM, they really simply took off. iDrive's just climb to fame is purely based on that one simple conviction that they had, right? So the solution approach that you are taking is the one that can pretty much completely differentiate the whole value proposition. In fact, a lot of people might even say, hey, this problem has been like beaten to death. Why are you going after the problem? But suddenly you will see some guy goes after the same problem and then succeeds massively, right? Because that person might have actually taken his solution approach to that particular problem might be very different. So that's the crux. We hope to surface some of those in this teardown session. That is the idea box. So idea is the problem, the user, and what is your solution approach to that. Then the second question that we want you guys to think through is, how are those people are going to discover you? How are they going to find you? Right? So in some categories, for example, for one of the use cases for KiSSFLOW, we found that a bunch of churches are actually using it. And then we went and did some research and found out that churches in the US are only like so many, right? And if you go in the TAM concept, there is TAM, SAM, and SOM. There are three concepts: total addressable market, serviceable addressable market, and then there is serviceable obtainable market. That is your percentage of market share that you can get. But when we did the SAM, which is what most people miss, we can end up presenting to VCs mostly the TAM, but not all TAM is addressable. So what is important is the SAM, right? So when we did the SAM analysis for church, the number came very small. And the number comes very small, means you can get dejected, other one is you can get excited. We actually got excited because we can actually name them. If the number comes very small, the problem is very simple because you can name them. Then you don't even have to worry about discoverability because you can do the outreach actually when you can name them. Anything less than 10,000, you can go after a named account as kind of a strategy, right? So then that box is, I'm just giving all this example to only use this opportunity for us to think about discoverability, because you have the problem, you have the target users, but if they're not able to discover you, or if somehow, it doesn't matter whether it is inbound or outbound. In some mechanism, they should be able to discover you. And that is the second part that we should discuss in this. And the third one is, You have the problem, people are able to discover you, but when they come to their website, they're not able to connect that. They open your home page, they are not able to connect to the first two boxes. The first two boxes is not resulting in the connection that you want you to happen in your website. If that connection doesn't happen, your sign up doesn't happen. So people just bounce off. After coming to the home page, they just bounce off. Right? So that is why in the website we also put the first fold relevance and build credibility, because we have found from experience 80% of the importance is in the first fold of the home page itself. Not even the home page. In the first fold of the home page, that's it. Below home page, very small. So it's a very big long tail below the home page, and other pages and all that stuff is like a very big long tail. Right? So the first fold is very important, and first fold should achieve that connect and should achieve the credibility. That question is, why should I choose this company? Credibility is, the first fold is two parts. What does company do? This is related to the problem that I'm having. That's the first part. The second part is, why should I choose this company versus somebody else? So if it answers the what and the why reason in some sense, you would have sort of made the connect. And the natural next question that comes to the mind is, how much does it cost? This is how the customer psychology works. If they are able to get the clarity on what is this and why should I choose this company, the next question that you ask is, how much does it cost? You walk across the OMR, Jeep announces a new Jeep. And the image is so impressive. And I'm trying to buy an SUV car. And everything looks good, the brand is good, the build is good. The next question that comes to me, I actually did it, this happened to me, right? And happens to all of us. Mm-hmm. You're reading the signal in Google for what is the price of that machine. Because the next natural thing that hits your mind is, how much does it cost? Mm-hmm. And if the cost connects, the sign up happens. These are the three things. This is for B2B, of course, I'm saying.
No, even for B2C, this is quite valid because
examples of B2C example.
Yeah.
Yeah, B2C example because everybody can understand it. Yeah. But this is the human psychology. The basis for this is just pure human psychology.
Correct.
Right? And human beings are the same one buying B2B or the B2C.
Absolutely.
But except that there is little dynamics of different. Yeah. So, and then finally, when the sign up happens, whether you are ending up in a wow experience at the end of the trial process, because most of B2B SaaS software is a try and buy software. Most, I'm not saying all, most. So if we can get more startups to cross these 5 boxes easily, we believe that that's a huge hump that you would cross. And after that, it's going to be like, okay, why did he sign up? Why didn't he buy? Where he got stuck up? What is the pricing issue? What is the competitor is thinking? All that's an interesting problems to solve. But if you're not crossing these 5 steps, you are not, the engine is not working and firing. No? That is the crux. And that is what the teardown is supposed to achieve. So hopefully, if you get takeaways from all these things, so I'm planning to be responsible for sort of the first 2.5 or 3. And wherever I lead, that exactly Bharat will take over. The second 2.5 part, first half like I will do, the second half Bharat will do. So he'll start with the website and show you what is the sign up he tried in your website, what was difficult, why users are going to go through that, and then tell you this is the whole structure we have done. Just want to little bit warn you guys, this might be little intimidating. Yeah, because it's also a little small. We did this in an open conference in SaaSX, but we had to prepare the founders for that because 300 other SaaS founders are there. You're going to show the product and say, this is bad, that is bad, why are you doing like this? It's very, because a lot of people put a lot of heart and soul into building everything. It will be very bad to say, no, that's not okay, it's not okay. But somewhere along the line, we have to sort of give this is actually a little bit close to setup. Our intention is not to find flaws. Our intention is to figure out and find out so that you can actually fix and everything. But I do want to put that disclaimer that this might be little intimidating, so just bear with us. And we don't want to hurt anybody. That was not the intention. So that's with that introduction. I think we should get going. Makes sense, huh?
Yeah, absolutely.
Any questions, guys? Do you guys have? Does it?
Can we record this, especially the part where you do the feedback?
We are recording the feedback part, and I will share it with you guys.
Recording it for his own. Chintan has come over in place of Avinash. So since he's brand new, he's recorded it to just go through it. He's going to repeat this in other things. So he's solely for his personal reasons he's recording, and not for publicly. He's not going to put anything.
Correct.
But if the group thinks you want to get the same recording for everyone else, you'll put it in some common shared folder and share it to all of you. But again, we'll keep it within the group. That's a trust thing.
So the whole idea is that see, all roundtables work with there's a rule called Chatham rules. Basically, what the Chatham rules are is that whatever happens in the closed door, you can use it. It's public knowledge, but you don't disclose who was saying what in the meeting. So nobody knows what was the feedback given by whom. There's no attribution, right? So you can use the knowledge. It's public goods. You can share it with somebody else. Don't share the video, please, right? But so that's.
You can share like the insights.
Yeah,
you're free to share the insights because we want this insights to spread because we want every startup to succeed.
Correct.
Right. So we also make sure non-competing companies are in the same group so that it doesn't create conflict. I don't think in this group there is any competing companies. So that we should get going. We'll go with so the reason why I went through the 5 boxes is to say how we are going to look at your product. So if you're asking some questions, it's only because of these 5 boxes we are asking those questions, and that's the template we are going to be using. So that's why I walk you through that 5 boxes. And I think it's
Hari will start. So are you presenting anything?
No,
just okay.
I just want to set the initial context.
Okay, got it.
Cast from here or like use that? What is it about?
Cast.
You can actually go from there. We don't have just go to pickyourtrail.com.
Pick your trail, yeah. But do you want to, because your screen is there, or should I just do it?
No, you just do it.
I'll do it.
Or you can do it from Bharat's screen also.
I got it.
Just manage to do it.
Yeah.
Should I try?
Yeah. Yeah. I've written some notes. So I will. I'll go with. So the first part I will do. Then second part.